Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're pumped to dive into the action-packed world of Call of Duty Warzone 2 on your PS5 in 2025, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of downloading and installing this epic battle royale game. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the franchise, this step-by-step tutorial will get you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure your PS5 is fully updated. Head to the Settings menu, go to System, and select System Software Update to ensure you have the latest firmware. This is crucial because older versions might cause compatibility issues with new games like Warzone 2. Once your console is updated, sign into your PlayStation Network account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it quickly through the PS5 dashboard. Now, launch the PlayStation Store from your home screen. It's that blue shopping bag icon. In the search bar at the top, type in Call of Duty Warzone 2 feed and hit enter. You should see the game pop up as one of the top results. Select the game, and on the next page, hit the Download button. Keep in mind, Warzone 2 is a free-to-play title, so you won't need to pay unless you want additional content. The download size can be pretty hefty, around 50 to 100 gigabytes depending on updates, so ensure you have enough storage space on your PS5. If you're low on space, you might need to delete some old games or apps first. Once the download starts, grab a snack because it could take a while, especially if your internet speed isn't blazing fast. While it's downloading, you can still use your PS5 for other things, but avoid turning it off. After the download finishes, the game will automatically install. Once that's done, find Warzone 2 in your library, select it, and launch the game. You'll be prompted to agree to some terms and might need to download any day one patches, so follow the on-screen instructions. And just like that, you're ready to drop into the battlefield. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, double-check your internet connection or restart your console. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's get gaming in 2025.